technical analysis on www.narestech.co.in for the last 15-17 years. Starting with a new YouTube series where we try to analyze charts and make a video with it. This is after a long time because I've been making videos intermittently over the years, but I hope this will be a much more regular series. And it's not the first time, maybe it's a little too late in the medium. I made my first YouTube video with charts back in 2008. It is still available on the channel if you see. So let us start on this one. Before I start on the topic, a standard disclosure: some of the stocks have been recommended to clients in advisory services, and me or my family members would have some exposure into the stocks recommended. So we have our vested interest. Please do your own research and risk management and consult your investment advisor, and do go through the disclaimer and the disclosure on the website. So I wrote an article back on 16th July wherein we looked at large cap metals and pharma stocks at a resistance. The pharma have already broken out as well as the metals have broken out. So that is the time where the metal index was about to break out, about 2120, 2150. JSW Steel about 202, 205, and Tata Steel about 350. So let us look how they are placed right now. So this is the metal index. So this is where we are looking at back then. So this is where we were looking at a breakout, went above it for the next 2-3 sessions, kept on holding on to the previous lows and consolidating, and then finally in the last 4-5 sessions it's been a clean breakout, and today's move is a very strong move. That's an indication of start of a trend. So looks very interesting because even the base metals and a lot of commodities have done really well. So, and that is what I tweeted also, that this is an index which looks interesting because of the core metals also doing really well. Now let us look at some stock charts. So earlier we had covered NMDC when it had broken out above this point. Now again it is somewhere closer to a breakout, wherein if you notice on the upside for the last almost a month the stock has been making almost the same highs. So if you look at it here, 87.45, 87.40, 88.50, 88.25 the high, and today also 88. So the stock has been consolidating in a tight range and making multiple tops at 88 odd levels. So sustaining above 88.90 would be a strong confirmation. And the risk reward is very interesting because it's a very tight range, so one can keep a stop somewhere between 82 to 85 depending on their horizon, and act maybe on the breakout. Now the next one has been is from the same, almost the same sector, which is Orissa Mineral Development Corporation, OMDC. So this we initiated a buy around this point, booked some partial profits at 1810 because the stock did not show momentum and we wanted to wait out for with half the position. And now finally the stock has crossed the previous highs made here around 1930. So the momentum is strong. The volumes have been encouraging after the breakout. Even on the dips the volumes were interesting, and today there is a large volume uptick. So in this case we may go with the trend as to how it continues. So OMDC has broken out. The next one is SAIL, where it has quite a few tops around 37, but if you were to put a little sloping trend line, it's broken out today, and interestingly very strong volumes on this one today. So say for the last few days it was 2.9 crores and today it has done a volume of 8.17 crores. So that qualifies for our criteria for price volume breakout. Then this is Tata Steel. This last broke out about 350, sustained around that 350 mark, moving up and down, and finally it has trended well, and today's close is also strong, decent volumes. So in this case again a fresh entry would be a little tough because the stops are deeper, but overall one would expect to say the trend continue, and maybe we'll keep watching out for various price points at 410 and 450. The next one is Hindalco, which was the strongest one today in terms of the price and volume action. Give a small breakout here about 165, 167. Very high volume, so the highest volume in the last 4 months. So that's a very strong indication and a good close. So this could be interesting on any dips. Any retest of 168, 170 could be a entry point. Stops would be closer to 160 or 158. and then maybe look up towards 200 or higher. Hindustan Zinc, this looks very interesting on a little longer term time frame. Maybe the cup has formed and may form a handle over a period of time. And on a simple Dow theory principle, a stop on a longer term basis would be at 180, and this would be the whole accumulation zone. And if you look at this, multiple tops around the 220, 225 mark out here, and today also it went to 221, and good volumes in the last few sessions. And why do we find it more interesting is this is one stock which generally has a strong correlation with silver and zinc prices, and silver has broken out in the short term, so this could be a good trade also with a little medium to longer term view. So find it very interesting, and say this would be a more of a medium term bet for us. This is JSW Steel, which broke out here, did a retest very close to the points, came back to 200, 202 levels, and then has slowly trended well. So out here we may watch for, say, somewhere closer to 250 as a 240, 250 zone to be a tough one. So JSW Steel has been very interesting. So the larger ones have done really well. JSW Steel and Tata Steel, and even a Jindal Steel has done well. Now we watch out for the rest of the pack. So to sum it up, a few interesting ideas, and maybe this could be start of a much say consistent trend in metals, because price volume action today is very interesting. We'll keep following it up on it, and I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe, and you can always subscribe to us on WhatsApp and email via the website. Thanks a lot.